Have you ever wondered what secrets our solar system holds? Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's a vast cosmic neighborhood brimming with celestial bodies, each with its own unique story. At the heart of it all is our sun, a blazing sphere of hot plasma around which 8 planets, their moons, and countless asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets revolve. This is our solar system, a harmonious ballet of gravity where each dancer knows its place, orbiting in an orderly fashion. From Mercury, the swiftest planet closest to the Sun, to Neptune, the distant ice giant, each planet is a world unto itself, with its own mysteries waiting to be unraveled. And we're going on a voyage, a cosmic journey to each of these celestial bodies. We'll explore their unique features, their histories, and their roles in the grand scheme of the universe. Are you ready to embark on this cosmic journey? Let's start with the fiery heart of our solar system, the Sun. At the center of our solar system, we find the Sun, an enormous blazing ball of hot gas. The Sun is a celestial powerhouse, a sphere composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, with traces of heavier elements like oxygen, carbon, and iron. This massive star is about 1 million times the size of Earth, and it holds 99.8% of our solar system's total mass. It's not just its size that's impressive, it's also the engine that drives life on our planet. The Sun showers Earth with light and heat, enabling plants to photosynthesize and create oxygen, which is vital for all life forms. And its impact doesn't stop there. The Sun's gravitational pull keeps all the planets in their orbits, creating the cosmic dance that we call our solar system. Without this gravitational anchor, planets would simply drift away into the cold void of space. But the Sun isn't always calm and steady. It has its own weather patterns, which include solar flares and sunspots. Solar flares are sudden, intense explosions that release energy equivalent to millions of hydrogen bombs. These flares can disrupt satellite communications and cause stunning displays of auroras on Earth. Sunspots, on the other hand, are darker, cooler areas on the Sun's surface. They appear dark because they are cooler compared to the surrounding areas. These spots are associated with strong magnetic fields, which can lead to the development of solar flares. The Sun also has a life cycle. It's currently in its main sequence stage, burning hydrogen to produce helium. In about 5 billion years, it will exhaust its hydrogen supply and expand into a red giant, swallowing the inner planets, including Earth. Eventually, it will shed its outer layers and shrink into a white dwarf, a dense, hot core of a star that has exhausted its nuclear fuel. So the Sun is not just a bright spot in the sky, but a complex and vital part of our solar system. Our understanding of this celestial body continues to grow, and with every discovery we learn more about our place in the cosmos. Our first stop is Mercury, the smallest planet and the closest one to the Sun. Now don't be fooled by Mercury's petite size. It may be small, but it's tough. Imagine living right next door to a blazing star, and you'll get an idea of Mercury's fiery existence. Mercury's surface is a sun-scorched expanse, covered with craters and scarred by intense heat. Its days are sweltering, with temperatures soaring above 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But don't be quick to pack your summer gear. Mercury's nights are a stark contrast, with temperatures plummeting to negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a world of extremes. Now, you might be wondering about the possibility of life on Mercury. But with no atmosphere to speak of, Mercury is not a hospitable place for us Earthlings. It's a silent, airless world with only the Sun for company. Mercury, a small planet with a big personality, surviving right next to our solar system's powerhouse. Next, we arrive at Venus, our nearest neighbor and often called Earth's sister planet. But don't let the familial term fool you. Venus, just slightly smaller than Earth, is a world enshrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere, largely composed of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid. This dense cover traps heat, causing surface temperatures to skyrocket to over 860 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a hothouse that's far hotter than the surface of Mercury, despite being further from the Sun. The surface of Venus is a volcanic landscape scarred by thousands of volcanoes and vast lava plains. Its bright appearance from Earth isn't due to a sunny disposition, but rather a reflection of sunlight off its perpetual cloud cover. This is why Venus, shining brightly in our sky, has often been mistaken for a star. Venus, a planet veiled in mystery and dense clouds, is far from a twin sister to Earth. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe, it will help a lot. We now return home to our very own planet, Earth. Nestled third in line from the Sun, Earth holds a special place in the solar system. It's a vibrant blue marble suspended in the inky blackness of space, a beacon of life in an otherwise barren cosmic desert. But what is it that makes Earth unique among its celestial siblings? Earth's position in the solar system is nothing short of serendipitous. It resides in the Goldilocks zone, a region not too hot and not too cold, but just right for water to exist in its liquid state. And water, as we know, is the lifeblood of our planet, the elixir that fuels the myriad of life forms that call Earth home. But it's not just our position that makes Earth special. The planet is equipped with a magnetic field, a kind of cosmic shield that protects us from harmful solar radiation. It's like having a personal bodyguard, fending off the sun's more destructive tendencies. This shield, coupled with our atmosphere, creates a haven for life to thrive. And we can't talk about Earth without mentioning its loyal companion, the Moon. Orbiting our planet approximately every 27 days, the Moon is more than just a glowing nightlight in our sky. Its gravitational pull is responsible for the ebb and flow of our ocean's tides, a rhythmic dance of water that has been playing out for billions of years. The Moon also serves as a reminder of our own potential. It's the only celestial body beyond Earth that humans have set foot on, a testament to our innate curiosity and adventurous spirit. Earth, with its blue oceans, swirling clouds, and verdant landscapes, is a dazzling jewel in the sun's cosmic crown. It's a place of immense beauty and diversity, of wild weather and peaceful landscapes, of bustling cities and quiet wilderness. It's a place of contrasts and harmony, of conflict and cooperation, and above all, it's our home, a petite blue dot in the great cosmic sea teeming with life and ripe with possibility. Earth, the only place in the vast universe that we know of where life exists. Next, we venture to Mars, the red planet. Mars, about half the diameter of Earth, is the fourth planet from the Sun. Its distinctive red hue, seen even from Earth, is due to iron oxide or rust on its surface. This celestial body boasts the largest volcano and the deepest, longest canyon in the solar system. Mars is shrouded in a thin, chilly atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, which creates a much colder environment compared to Earth. The thin atmosphere also means that Mars has a sky that would look more like a hazy, overcast day on Earth. Despite its barren appearance today, evidence suggests Mars may once have had surface water and possibly life. Scientists have found signs of ancient floodplains and river valleys indicating the presence of liquid water in the past. Mars, a planet that tantalizes us with questions about life beyond Earth. Our journey now takes us to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter. It's a true behemoth, a gas giant that dwarfs all other planets. In fact, it's so large that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Imagine that. A planet so vast that it could swallow 1,000 of our homeworlds and still have room to spare. Jupiter is primarily made up of hydrogen and helium, a composition not dissimilar to our Sun. This colossal celestial body is a swirling mass of colorful clouds and storms, a beautiful if not chaotic ballet of celestial weather. The most famous of these storms is the Great Red Spot, a tempest larger than Earth that has been raging for at least 300 years. This turbulent spot roars with winds that whip around at nearly 3 times the speed of our most powerful hurricanes. It's a testament to the extreme conditions that can exist within our own solar system. But Jupiter is not alone in its corner of space. It's accompanied by a retinue of moons, a whopping 79 at last count. 4 of these, known as the Galilean moons, are some of the largest objects in our solar system outside the Sun and the 8 planets. They're worlds in their own right, complete with their own unique geographies and even oceans. Among them, Ganymede stands out as the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury. Then there's Io, the most volcanically active body in the solar system, Europa, which harbors a vast subsurface ocean that might be hospitable to life, and Callisto, a heavily cratered world that looks like the moon's older, more battered sibling. It's a fascinating family of celestial bodies, each with its own story to tell. From its colossal size and breathtaking storms to its multitude of moons, Jupiter is a world that continues to captivate and inspire. A world that reminds us of the diversity and wonder of the cosmos that we are a part of. Jupiter, a gas giant with an outsized influence on our solar system. Next, we arrive at Saturn, known for its stunning rings. These beautiful rings, composed largely of ice particles with a smattering of dust and rock, encircle the planet, creating a celestial spectacle unlike any other. They are divided into 7 groups, each named after the letters of the alphabet, and each with its own unique characteristics. Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system, is a gas giant much like Jupiter. It's primarily made up of hydrogen and helium, giving it a surprisingly low density, so low in fact that it would float in water. Our ringed beauty isn't alone in its journey around the sun. It's accompanied by a family of 62 moons, each with its own unique features. Titan, the largest of these moons, even has its own atmosphere and liquid hydrocarbon lakes. Saturn, a planet that captivates us with its intricate beauty. Our final stops are the distant ice giants Uranus and Neptune. Our journey now takes us to the outer reaches of the solar system, to the realm of Uranus and Neptune. These are the icy giants, 2 worlds of extreme cold, immense pressure, and powerful winds. At first glance, Uranus and Neptune appear to be twins, yet they are distinct in their own right. Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun, is the 3rd largest in terms of diameter and 4th largest in terms of mass. It is a world of muted blues and greens, its color resulting from the methane in its atmosphere that absorbs red light and reflects the blue. Uranus is unique among the planets in our solar system as it spins on its side, with its axis of rotation nearly parallel to its path around the Sun. Neptune, the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun, is slightly smaller in diameter than Uranus but more massive. Its deep azure blue color is striking, a result of its atmosphere's methane content, but Neptune's winds are the fastest in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 2,000 kilometers per hour. Both of these ice giants are primarily composed of heavy elements, unlike the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn. Beneath their thick atmospheres, Uranus and Neptune have mantles of water, ammonia, and methane ices over cores of rock and metal. The conditions here, far from the warmth of the sun, are extreme. Temperatures plummet to minus 200 degrees Celsius, making these worlds some of the coldest in the solar system. Yet despite these harsh conditions, both planets have been visited by spacecraft, revealing fascinating details about their atmospheres, moons, and ring systems. As we gaze upon these distant frozen worlds, we are reminded of the incredible diversity within our solar system. From the searing heat of Mercury to the icy cold of Uranus and Neptune, each planet is a world unto itself, unique and fascinating. Uranus and Neptune, remote and icy, remind us of the vastness and diversity of our solar system. Our journey through the solar system is complete. What a voyage it has been! From the fiery heart of the Sun, a celestial body so massive that it accounts for 99% of our solar system's mass, we embarked on a cosmic journey. We whizzed past Mercury, a swift and cratered planet, the closest to our star. It's a world of temperature extremes where the sunlit side can reach 800 degrees Fahrenheit, while the dark side plunges to minus 290 degrees. Then we visited Venus, our sister planet, shrouded in a thick, toxic atmosphere that traps heat, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. It's a reminder of how crucial the balance of greenhouse gases is for life as we know it. Next, we marveled at the blue marble, our Earth, the only known celestial body to harbor life. It's a unique world, with a perfect mix of water, land, and atmosphere that sustains a diverse array of life forms. Our voyage continued to Mars, the red planet, a desert world with the largest volcano and the deepest, longest canyon in the solar system. It's a planet that piques our curiosity with the ongoing search for signs of ancient life. Jupiter, the gas giant, was our next stop, a world so large that over 1,000 Earths could fit within it. It's a planet known for its great red spot, a storm that has been raging for at least 3 centuries. Saturn, the ringed beauty, amazed us with its intricate system of icy rings and its 62 moons, each with its own unique geology. Finally, we visited the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune, the farthest planets from the Sun. These worlds of frozen gases with their strong winds and extreme temperatures remind us of the vastness and diversity of our solar system. The solar system, a cosmic marvel full of wonder and mystery, waiting for us to explore and understand. If you want more video about this, please leave your like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.